take you if you're all set. Thank you. Mom, are you ready to check out?
Just give me one damn minute.
Oh, no worries. Take your time.
Why does this lipstick look different?
It's been 30 years since you bought it. They probably changed the formula.
Whatever.
Did you have a rewards account with us?
No, I don't want you numbskulls stealing my data.
Shh, Mom, it's okay. I'll just use my phone number.
You give them your phone number? You want the IRS at your doorstep?
All right, is that gonna be it for you today?
How much is it?
So after taxes, it's gonna be $36.20.
$36 for a lipstick? Are you out of your mind?
Mom, it's been a long time, and you know how things go with inflation.
Inflation, my ass. This should be no more than $10. You get her to bring the price down.
Is there like a coupon or a discount you can use? Unfortunately, it doesn't look like you have enough points, so it's full price today.
What the fuck is her problem?
Okay, Mom, that's enough. Don't worry about it. This is on me. Here you go.
Boy, do I miss how things were back in my day.
Back in your day, you wouldn't even be able to buy this lipstick without your husband's cosign, so zip it!